Hello friends, myself Professor Ashok M. Jain. In this lecture I am going to talk about MCQ questions on transient analysis of RLC circuit. This is part 2. Earlier I had developed part 1 and I will develop part 3 also later on. So this is the question number 1. What is the order of differential equation of RC circuit? Okay. So what is the order? So if you write the KVL here, KVL लिखेंगे तो क्या आएगा? RI प्लस सी में क्या आएगा 1/c इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ I dt may be equal to V. So this is the integration is there. If you differentiate it, you will get R di by dt plus I by C equal to say 0. So this is the first order equation. So it is order number 1, first order. What will be the form of solution of the differential equation when equation is this equal to 0 has two different real roots, say d1 and d2. So solution will be like that: k1 e raised to d1t plus k2 e raised to d2t. Okay, different roots हैं तो ये this is the solution. Okay, I'm rubbing it. Question number 3. If the system is represented by differential equation of d square plus 6d plus 9y equal to 0, the solution of y will be. Now you can say we have two roots. This is अगर इसको if you solve it, इसको आप solve करते हैं तो दो रूट मिलने वाले with the help of calculator or with the help of by other method also. So दोनों का sum 6 है और दोनों का मल्टीप्लीकेशन 9 है तो 3 plus 3 plus 3 6 3 into 3 9, right? So we have two roots d plus 3 square equal to 0, d square plus 3 plus 3 6d plus 9 equal to 0. So both roots are minus 3, right? And इसका मतलब roots are real and repeated. Roots are real and repeated. What is the solution? This is the solution: b k1 plus k2 into t e raised to minus 3t. That is the solution. B answer is correct. What is the value of critical resistance? I told you already. Roots अगर आपको निकालना है d1 and d2, क्या होता है माइनस आर बाई 2l प्लस माइनस अंडर रूट ऑफ दिस आर बाई 2l का होल स्क्वायर minus 1 by LC. Okay, and if this equal to this R by 2L square equal to 1 by LC, this equal to this, clear? So this part will be 0. This will give the critical resistance. Okay, so we will get R square equal to क्या आएगा, ये 2L square वहां जाएंगे तो 4L square by LC. So you will get 4L by C. L कट जाएगा, so L by. So R equal to what? 2 root L by C. So this value of resistance called as critical resistance. 2 root L by C. 2 root L by C. C answer is correct. Clear? That is a critical resistance. I am rubbing it. Question number 5. What will be the value of current if the value of resistance equal to the critical resistance? What will be the value of current if the value of resistance is equal to the critical resistance? अगर critical resistance के बराबर है, इसका मतलब जो अंडर रूट वाला पार्ट क्या हो जाएगा, 0. So both roots will be real and repeated. Roots will be real and repeated. अगर ऐसा है critical resistance roots will be real and repeated, answer will be B, k1 plus k2t e raised to dt. Okay, so that is answer B. when what will be the differential equation for the circuit given by this derivation is there. Okay, so you can write KCL here. एक ही equation है ना KCL. This is connected to ground. KCL you are writing here. तो KCL लिखेंगे तो क्या आएगा? KCL लिखेंगे तो V. Suppose यहाँ का potential V है. This is V. So V by 4. Clear? This one and this one. यहाँ का करंट क्या आएगा? करंट क्या है यहाँ पर? I1 equal to V by I1 equal to this. So I1 plus I2 equal to I0 by 2. So V by 4 I1 है. यहाँ का क्या होगा? करंट करंट क्या होता है? C dV by dt. C कितना है? C 3 by 4 C 3 by 4 dV by dt. dV by dt equal to what? Incoming current कितना? I0 by 2. That is the equation. Now I want dV by dt चाहिए हर जगह. So I am multiplying both sides by 4 by 3. 4 by 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करोगे तो क्या आएगा? ये dV by dt, राइट? यहाँ 4 by 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करोगे तो 4 will be cancelled. You will get V by 3 इक्वल टू, यहाँ 4 by 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करोगे तो 2 कैंसिल, तो 2I0 by 3. ऐसा कोई इक्वेशन है? नो. Yes, I think this is correct. B answer is correct. dV by dt plus V by 3 equal to 2 by 3 I0. This B answer is correct, right? Okay. So I am rubbing it. Question number 7. 7. The circuit shown in figure in steady state when switch is closed at time t equal to 0, the current I is given by. Actually, we are going to close the circuit at t equal to 0. This diagram is wrong. It is like this. We are going to close the circuit at t equal to 0. Sorry. Okay. Anyway, initially circuit was open. अगर ओपन था तो करंट वाज थ्रू इंडक्टर वाज 0. सो IL0 माइनस इक्वल टू IL0 प्लस इक्वल टू व्हाट? 0. अगर ये स्विच ओपन था तो करंट फ्लो हो रहा था कि नहीं? इंडक्टर में नहीं हो रहा था. तो IL0 माइनस इक्वल टू IL0 प्लस इक्वल टू 0. नाउ एट t इक्वल टू 0 क्लोज द स्विच. अगर क्लोज करेंगे तो यू विल गेट 2 लूप. एक लूप ये और एक लूप ए. सो इट इज बेटर टू कन्वर्ट इनटू वन लूप. सो वी विल गो फॉर सोर्स ट्रांसफॉर्म. इफ यू गो फॉर सोर्स ट्रांसफॉर्म क्या आएगा? I इक्वल टू व्हाट? V by R 10 upon 1 10 ampere. Clear? And this 1 ohm will come here. 2 ohm will be already here. Sorry, 2 ohm यहाँ है और 1 Henry is here. So these 2 and 1 both are in parallel. So you will get 10 ampere. These 2 in parallel, 2 into 1, 2 upon 2 plus 1, 3, 2 by 3, or this is 1 Henry. Okay. Now again these 2 in parallel, so you can convert into voltage source. वोल्टेज सोर्स क्या आएगा? प्लस माइनस V इक्वल टू IR. V इक्वल टू IR 10 into 2 20 by 3 6.666 V, और this will come here 2 by 3, right? And this is 1 Henry. So it is better to convert into one loop by using the source transformation. Now it is example of rise in current. So rise in current. So I equal to क्या आएगा? I equal to what? V by R 6.66 upon 2 by 3. 2 by 3. 2 by 3. So it will be 10 हो जाएगा ये. 1 rise in current, 1 minus e raised to minus t by tau. So 6.66 upon 0.66 you will get 10. 1 minus e raised to minus tau. Tau is what? L by R. Tau equal to L by R. What is L in this diagram? L by R. So 1 by 2 by 3. So you will get 1 by 2 by 3. You will get 3.3 by 2. So यहाँ आएगा tau equal to L by R. So you will get 3 by 2. Okay. So यहाँ आएगा minus 2 by 3. Okay. So it is minus t by 1.5. Okay, that is the answer. So 10, this is the answer actually, I am getting it. So if you use it, we have an answer question number 7. I think 1 by 1.5 is 0.666. So this is the answer I am getting. That is the A answer is correct. Okay. Okay, the voltage Vt equal to 6 e raised to minus 2t is applied at t equal to 0 in a RL circuit. L equal to this and if it equal to this, then what is the value of R? Okay, so I am rubbing it actually. I am rubbing it. Is it clear? I am rubbing it. Okay. Please see here. I am going to solve question number 8. Vt is applied. So please see here. This is the diagram. Vt is applied. कितना है 6 e raised to minus 2t. 6 into e raised to minus 2t. I am applied to a RL circuit. Clear? So this is we are applying. And I am getting I equal to this. Clear? Then what is the value of R? So what is the value of R is not given. R is not given. L is also 1 Henry. Okay. So it is example of rise or decay. It is example of rise and decay. Rise in current. So I equal to क्या आएगा? I equal to what? V by R. V by R in bracket 1 minus e raised to minus t by tau. Or V by R minus V by R e raised to minus t by tau. Right? E raised to minus 2t upon R minus 6 e raised to minus 2t upon R e raised to minus t by tau. Now please here, ये पार्ट देखो आप 6 e raised to minus 2t ये है, इसका मतलब R कितना है 1. R equal to what 1 है. दिस अगर R की वैल्यू 1 होगी तो ये पार्ट आ जाएगा, राइट ना. ओके. एंड यहां पर भी देखो ये पार्ट माइनस 3t है, तो R की वैल्यू अगर 1 रख दो तो यू विल गेट द आंसर R equal to 1. Okay, so R equal to 1. I think answer is correct. B answer is correct. और यहाँ पर भी देख लो R अगर 1 है, R equal to 1 है, so tau equal to क्या है L by R equal to 1 by 1. So e raised to minus t, right? So यहाँ पर क्या आएगा e raised to minus t और e raised to minus 3t हो जाएगा. तो यहाँ पर क्या जाएगा R की equal to 1 है, तो ये पार्ट क्या होगा? What is the value here? 6 e raised to minus 3t. आ रहा है क्या 6 e raised to minus 3t? Yes, this is the answer is correct. So R equal to 1 है. Okay, so just I am getting the answer by comparing only. So question number 8, B answer is correct. Question number 8. Okay, I am rubbing it. Question number 9. Question number 9. Yes. The time constant of circuit shown below is 6 microsecond. Time constant is given in question number 6. कितना है? Time constant tau equal to what? Tau equal to what? 6 microsecond. Okay. What is the value of R? C इक्वल टू दिया है ना. टाउ इक्वल टू क्या होता है? टाउ इक्वल टू क्या होता है? आर सी इक्वल टू 6 माइक्रो, और आर सी कितना दिया है? 5 माइक्रो. सो आर की वैल्यू क्या आएगी? टोटल आर इक्वलेंट. आर इक्वलेंट इक्वल टू व्हाट? 6 अपॉन 5 इक्वल टू 1.2 ohm. आई एम गेटिंग आर इक्वल टू 1.2 ohm, राइट. एंड दिस इज टू लूप का प्रॉब्लम है, सो आई हैव टू कन्वर्ट इनटू वन लूप. सो ऐसा आएगा I इक्वल टू व्हाट? V बाई आर. क्लियर. और ये R और ये 3 ohm, this R और this 3 ohm both are in parallel. So ये combination is given 1.2 ohm. So R into 3 upon 3 plus R equal to 1.2 है. Clear ना? So you can solve it. So you can say 3R equal to 3.6 plus 1.2 R. So ये वहां जाएगा. So 3 minus 1.2 कितना हो जाएगा? 1.8 R equal to 3.6. So R equal to what? 3.6 upon 1.8, that is 2 ohm. ये 2 ohm है. So 2 और 3 parallel. So 2 and 3 parallel. 2 into 3, 6 upon 2 plus 3, 5. 6 by 3, 5 is 1.2, right? So 2 ohm is given. R equal to what? 2 ohm. So you can solve the problem. Time constant tau is given. Tau equal to RC होता है. C is given, so you will get the combined R. And combined R कितना आ रहा? 1.2. And we know it is very simple. 2 and 3 का parallel combination 1.2 होता है. Okay, so you can get it. I'm rubbing it. Question number 10. For the circuit, if switch is moved from A to B. For the circuit, if switch is moved from A to B at t equal 0, find I of 0. Switch was in position A. Switch was in position A for a long time. Okay. कई घंटों से switch was in position A for a long time. So current was flowing here. Okay. So I of L0 minus equal to I of L0 plus equal to what? V by R. V कितना है? V कितना है? 10. R कितना है? R कितना है? 1000. 1 kilo ohm equal to what? 0.01 ampere. 0.01 ampere. A answer is correct. 10 का A. Right? 10 का 0.01 ampere. Now, question number 11. Question number 11. In the network shown in figure below, the potential at P 10 seconds after closing switch. Okay, so see here, this is the RC circuit is given, right? So VC0 minus equal to VC0 plus equal to what? Yes, VC0. Switch was open earlier, तो कितना आएगा? 0. क्यों? स्विच ओपन था तो करंट फ्लो नहीं हो रहा था, तो इट इज 0. नाउ एज यू क्लोज द स्विच, दिस इज द प्रॉब्लम. क्लोज द स्विच. जब क्लोज करेंगे तो इट इज एग्जांपल ऑफ राइज इन वोल्टेज. राइज इन वोल्टेज. राइज इन वोल्टेज क्या आएगा? Vc इक्वल टू व्हाट? V1 minus e raised to minus t by tau. Right? And at t equal to what? 10 सेकंड 10 सेकंड। सो VC कितना आएगा, V कितना है 100 वोल्ट, V इक्वल टू 100 वोल्ट, 1 माइनस ई रेज टू माइनस टी कितना है 10 सेकंड, और टाउ क्या होता है, टाउ इक्वल टू आर सी, टाउ इक्वल टू आर सी, आर कितना है 2 इंटू 10 रेज टू पावर प्लस 6 मेगा ओम है, 2 मेगा ओम, और सी कितना है 5 इंटू 10 रेज टू पावर माइनस 6, सो माइनस 6 प्लस 6 कैंसिल, इट इज 10 सेकंड। So T by tau matlab 10 by 10. Okay. So here you can get VC equal to what? VC equal to what? E raised to minus 1. This is 10 by 10 is 1. E raised to minus 1. It is what? Minus 1. I am getting 0.36. VC equal to V 100. 1 minus e raised to minus 1.3678. Okay. So 1 minus 0.3678 equal to 0.63 into 100. So this is what 63.22 volt. That is the VC. Okay, यहाँ का voltage कितना है? Okay, now what is the question? In the network shown in figure below, the potential at P 10 second after, यहाँ का 100 volt है, यहाँ कितना drop हो रहा है 63.22 volt. So what is the voltage here? Vp equal to what? 100 minus this voltage, that is what? 36 point. Vp equal to what? 36.78 volt. Is it correct? Yes, C answer is correct. 11 का C. Okay, so you can get it. Vp equal to, because यहाँ का voltage 100 है, यहाँ कितना voltage drop हो जाएगा 63.22 volt, so you will get this minus this voltage equal to Vp 36.78 volt. Question number 12. I am rubbing it. Question number 12. In the network shown below, there is no initial condition across L and C. The switch is closed at t equal to 0. What is the value of IL0 minus? Infinity. Sorry. In the circuit shown below, there is no initial condition across L and C. Okay. There is no initial condition at L and C. Okay. So just wait. अगर इनिशियल कंडीशन नहीं है तो there is no initial condition LLC. The switch is closed. Switch open है. Close करने के बाद क्या होगा? This will be R1. No condition है तो open होगा. This will be shorted. And this is R2. This is R1. And this is open. This is 1 volt. Okay. It is like that. Initial at I equal to 0 plus. वो क्या पूछ रहा है? They are not asking. They are asking IL1 at t equal to infinity. So infinity condition में क्या होगा? T equal to infinity में क्या होगा? R1 will be R1. This will be shorted. Inductor will act as short because जब at t equal to infinite switch close कर चुके हैं आप t equal to 0 पे, तो continuously current store कर रहा है. Current will become constant. It will become infinite. But this will open. Clear? C will open. This is 2 ohm. This is 1 ohm. Or inductor will act as shorted like that. Okay, and V equal to 1 volt. So वो क्या बोल रहा है वो? What is the value of current IL1 infinite equal to IL2 infinite equal to what? V by R. V कितना है? 1 by R कितना? 3. 1 by 3 ohm ampere. Yes, D answer is correct. D answer is correct. क्लियर ना? दे आर नॉट आस्किंग एट टी इक्वल टू जीरो। अगर टी इक्वल टू जीरो पे पूछा होगा तो क्या आएगा, आई एल वन जीरो, क्या आएगा जीरो पे, जीरो, क्योंकि ओपन है स्विच। आई एल टू क्या आएगा, जीरो। बट इन्फिनिटी, दे आर आस्किंग इन्फिनिटी, इन्फिनिटी में कितना आएगा, वन बाई थ्री। ओके, क्वेश्चन नंबर 13, आई एम जस्ट रबिंग इट। 13, question number 13, the time constant of the network shown in figure. Okay, time constant निकालना है तो you want one loop. So what we are going to do, we are going to convert this using the source transformation. I am going to convert into current source I equal to what, V by R, 10 by R. Clear? And this R will come in parallel with the 2R. This is R, this is 2R, this is C. These two in parallel, so you will get R into 2R, 2R square upon 3R. So 2 by 3R, right? Parallel में क्या आएगा, R into 2R upon R plus 2R. So 2R square upon 3R. R will be cancelled, you will get 2 by 3, 2 by 3R, right? Or this is the C. Current source 10 by R. So you can convert again V voltage source. Voltage source क्या आएगा, प्लस माइनस V इक्वल टू व्हाट, आई आर। I कितना है 10 बाई आर इंटू आर कितना है 2 बाई थ्री, 2 बाई थ्री आर। So this will be cancelled, 20 by 3 that is 6.66 volt, और ये 2 by 3 R will be here. This is C. What is the time constant, tau equal to RC? R कितना है 2 by 3R और C कितना है C. So you will get 2RC by 3. 2RC by 3. D answer is correct. Okay. So that is answer D. I am rubbing it. Question number 13 D. Question number 14. 14. The value of voltage across capacitor at two time constant. Value of same problem I have. I think I want to continue it. Okay. So प्लस माइनस ये क्या बताया था आपको, 6.66 वोल्ट, अब भी लास्ट प्रॉब्लम में, राइट। और यहाँ क्या आया था 2 by 3R, or this is the C. Okay, that is a we got in the last problem only. The value of voltage across C at two time constant. So it is an example of rise in voltage. Vc equal to क्या नाम फार्मूला है, Vc equal to V 1 minus e raised to minus t by tau. Put t equal to what, 2 tau, two time constant. So you will get Vc equal to what, V कितना है 6.66, sorry, okay, 6.66, 1 minus e raised to minus 2. Okay, 2 time t equal to 2 tau. So shift I'm going to use it, shift e raised to minus 2 equal to this. So I'm getting it is 6.66, 1 minus 0.135. So 1 minus 0.1353 equal to this into 6.66 into 6.66. I'm getting 5.75. Question number 14. Question number 14. 5.75. That is the answer I'm getting. Okay, 5.75 volt. So by using this concept, you can get the answer, right? I'm rubbing it. Question number 15. Yes. The value of current through capacitor at time t equal to infinite. Now see here, the value of current through capacitor at time t equal to infinite. Same problem. So I can say this is the voltage I got, 6.66 volt, right? This R was what? 2 by 3 R, 2R by 3. Okay, and this is the C. Okay, we got it. Okay, so already this problem we have solved in 13, 14. So okay, so at time t equal to infinite, it is example of rise. Vc equal to what? Vc equal to what? V in bracket 1 minus e raised to minus t by tau. So t equal to infinite, this will become 0. This term will become 0. So Vc equal to what? V कितना है V? 6.66 volt. So 15 का क्या आ रहा है? I'm getting 6.66 volt. That is the answer. Clear? और अगर I पूछा होता, they are not asking I, but अगर I पूछा होता तो करंट थ्रू कैपेसिटर क्या आ जाता? टिकिंग इन करंट, क्योंकि वो करंट का फार्मूला क्या होता है? I इक्वल टू क्या होता है? I0, that is V by R, e raised to minus t by tau. टाउ अगर इन्फानाइट टी इक्वल टू इन्फानाइट रखेंगे तो ई रेस टू इन्फानाइट जीरो हो जाएगा ये, और जीरो आईसी विल बी जीरो if they are asking that this question, right? I'm stopping it. Sorry. Next question I'm going to discuss. Question number 16. Question number 16. In the circuit, RC circuit shown in figure, voltage across C starts increasing. Voltage across C starts increasing when the DC source is switched on. इसका मतलब है it is rise in current, right? The rate of increase of the voltage across C, the rate of increase of voltage across C at the instant just after switching is closed, that is at t equal to 0 plus, will be okay. So I काम करता हूँ at t equal to 0, I am closing the switch. Okay, at t equal to 0 I am closing the switch. So can we write the KVL? Yes, I am writing the KVL. क्या आएगा? 1 by C integration of I dt plus Ri equal to 1 volt. Clear? Okay, ये क्या है? This term shows the voltage across capacitor plus Ri equal to 1 volt. Okay. So Vc equal to what? Vc plus R, और I equal to क्या होता है? C dV by dt. I equal to क्या होता है इन कैपेसिटर? I equal to C dV by dt. C dV C by dt. Okay, equal to here 1 volt. So what is the value of R C dV by dt equal to क्या मिल रहा है आपको? 1, और ये Vc उधर जाएगा तो माइनस Vc. Okay, and what is the voltage? Okay, what is the voltage at t equal to 0? At t equal to 0 plus, what is the voltage? In RC circuit shown in figure, voltage across C starts increasing when the DC source is switched on. पहले क्या था, स्विच ऑफ था, तो डीवी सी जीरो माइनस इक्वल टू वी सी जीरो प्लस इक्वल टू इट वॉज जीरो. So I got, this is 0, right? So what is the value of dv by dt 0 प्लस क्या आएगा 1 by RC. ये तो 0 है, so 1 by RC. Okay, so 1 by RC. Yes, D answer is correct. D answer is correct. Okay, question number 17. I'm rubbing it. Question number 17. 17. Okay. In the RC circuit shown in figure, the voltage across C starts increasing when the DC source is switched on. Same problem. The current through capacitor at 2 time constant. We know at t equal to 0, close the switch. Okay, so it is rise in voltage, but current क्या होता है? In case of, in any case, whether you are charging the capacitor or discharging the capacitor, right? Current will reduce. So I equal to क्या आएगा? I equal to क्या आएगा? V by R e raised to minus t by tau. Current will always be reduced. V कितना है? 1. Clear? R कितना है? R e raised to minus current through capacitor at 2 time constant. T equal to 2 tau. So it is minus 2 हो जाएगा. T equal to 2 tau रखेंगे, tau cancel, you will get minus 2. Okay, so e raised to minus t ये होता है 0.135. So 0.135 upon R, that is the value of current. Okay, so I equal to get 0.135 upon R. That is the answer. Okay, I'm rubbing it. Question number 18. Unit step voltage is applied at t equal to 0. Voltage we are applying at t equal to 0 to a RL series circuit with 0 initial condition, right? Okay, so initially क्या है, अब ये सर्किट है, ये L, ये R और ये V. I of 0 कितना है? 0 initial. Okay, it is possible for the current to be oscillate. No, करंट का गर्व ऐसा आता है, ऐसा like this. तो ये oscillating नहीं है, oscillating is like this, ऐसा कुछ होता है, तो ऐसा नहीं आएगा. Okay, first answer is wrong. The voltage across the resistor at t equal to 0 is 0. Voltage across, अब current 0 है, तो what is the voltage across the resistance? करंट यहाँ से 0 तो यहाँ का क्रॉस वोल्टेज क्या होगा? 0 ही होगा ना. Okay, so this is correct. Voltage across the resistor at t equal to 0 is 0. Correct, क्योंकि करंट ही 0 है यहाँ से. जब करंट ही नहीं फ्लो हो रहा तो वोल्टेज क्या होगा? 0 for the instant, right? Energy stored in the inductor in the steady state is 0. Oh, एनर्जी स्टोर क्या होता है? 1/2 Li स्क्वायर. और एट स्टेडी स्टेट पहुंचने के बाद 1/2 Li स्क्वायर होगा, वो बोल रहा है 0. नो, इट इज नॉट करेक्ट. रजिस्टर्स, द रजिस्टर करंट इवेंचुअली फॉल्स टू 0. करंट बढ़ रहा है, फॉल्स टू 0 बोल रहा है. नो, इट इज नॉट करेक्ट. बी इज करेक्ट. ओके, question number 19. Unit step voltage is applied at t equal to 0 to a series RL circuit with 0 initial condition. With 0 initial condition. Same problem I have given. It is possible for the current to be oscillate. No. The voltage across the resistor at t equal to infinite is 0. No. जब करंट बढ़ जाएगा, ऐसा ऐसा हो जाएगा, तो वोल्टेज अक्रॉस रेजिस्टेंस क्या होगा? इट विल 0. नो. एनर्जी स्टोर्ड इन इंडक्टर in the steady state is 1/2 Li square. Yes, 1/2 Li square. That is correct. This is correct. So C is correct. Okay. Question number 20. 20. In the figure given below, the initial capacitor voltage is 0, Vc 0. Initial voltage is 0. Okay. The switch is closed at t equal to 0. Switch we are closing at t equal to 0. The final steady state voltage across capacitor is. So क्या होगा? क्लोज हो गया है तो इट इज एग्जाम्पल ऑफ. सो हमको क्या करना पड़ेगा? दिस इज टू लूप बनने वाले. क्लोज करने के बाद कितने लूप बनने वाले? दो. So we will convert into one loop. So first we will go for source transformation. I equal to what? V by R, 2 ampere, and this 10 will come in parallel. Is what? 10 microfarad, and this 10 ohm. Now you can say this 10 ohm and this 10 ohm in parallel, so you can convert into 1 ohm, 5 ohm, equal value in parallel, and this is 10 microfarad, and this is what? 2 ampere. Again we will convert into voltage source. So क्या आएगा? V equal to 2 into 5, 10 volt, or this will come in series. कितना? 5 ohm, or here this is 10 microfarad. So in this way you can convert two loop into one loop. Now final steady state voltage across capacitor, which is equal to what? V1 minus e raised to minus t by tau. Tau equal to what? T equal to what? Infinite. At final steady state value. So this is 0. This term will become 0. So Vc equal to V equal to what? 10 volt. Yes, B is correct answer. Okay, so you will get 10 volt. और एक्चुअली क्या है मैं आपको बता दूं, एट स्टेडी स्टेट वैल्यू दूसरा तरीका ऐसा हो सकता था. ये 20 वोल्ट है, ये एट टी इक्वल टू इनफाइनाइट दिस विल बी 10 ओम. ये कैपेसिटर क्या एक्ट करेगा? ओपन, और दिस इज 10 ओम. सो व्हाट इज आई इक्वल टू? आई इक्वल टू क्या आएगा? 20 अपॉन 20, 1 एम्पियर. इसके अक्रॉस वीसी कितना आएगा? 10 इंटू 1, 10 इंटू 1, वीसी इक्वल टू व्हाट? 10 इंटू 1 equal to 10 volt. So यहाँ से करो या यहाँ से करो, we will get the same answer, right? I am rubbing it. This is the answer sheet we have given. You please check it. Okay. Thank you very much for listening me carefully. Thank you.